Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and you are watching the Bharat Homeopathy Kidney Treatment USA YouTube channel, a new age holistic platform where I discuss health, nutrition and natural ways to manage chronic disease through homeopathic and holistic healing. Struggling with constipation is a very common complaint among chronic kidney disease patients. If you have CKD, you may already know how challenging it can be to pass regular motions and how that discomfort adds to your daily struggle. Do you also feel bloated, heavy, or unable to clear your bowels easily? Are you also depending on laxatives to get relief? Well, if so, you are not alone. Constipation affects nearly 50 to 60% of kidney patients, and it's often due to multiple factors like restricted water intake, restricted diet, certain kidney medications, low fiber diet, and reduced physical activity. But the good news is, some simple kidney-safe dietary and lifestyle changes can relieve constipation naturally and improve your gut health without depending on harsh laxatives. So let's discuss some effective and kidney-safe tips to relieve constipation naturally in chronic kidney disease. The first tip is to include kidney-safe fiber-rich foods. Fiber plays a crucial role in promoting bowel movement, but CKD patients must choose fiber sources wisely. You can add kidney-safe fiber foods like apples, which contain soluble fiber pectin that supports bowel movement and gut health. The second is pumpkin, which is low in potassium, soft on gut, and helps regulate digestion. Cabbage is low in potassium and rich in insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool. Fiber improves gut motility, balances intestinal bacteria, and helps prevent toxin buildup in the body, which is essential for kidney patients. The second tip is to add whole grains. Whole grains like foxtail millets, little millet, barnyard millet, kodo millet, and proso millets, which are rich in fiber and B vitamins, low in potassium and phosphorus, and support digestion. They help soften stool naturally and promote healthy bowel activity. However, CKD patients should avoid excessive bran or wheat germ since they may increase phosphorus and potassium levels. The third tip is to use chia seeds. Chia seeds are excellent natural laxatives because they are rich in soluble fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Soaked in water, they form a gel-like consistency that softens stool and makes it easier to pass. For CKD patients, take 1 teaspoon of soaked chia seeds daily, add it to salads, smoothies, or lukewarm water. These seeds also help reduce inflammation and support overall gut health. Eating kidney-friendly fruits can also help relieve constipation. You can eat apples, guavas, pineapples, and papayas as they are low in potassium and phosphorus. These fruits are not only rich in fiber, but also contain digestive enzymes that help break down of food and improve bowel regularity. You should avoid high potassium fruits like bananas, oranges, and avocados if your potassium levels are high. Now, the next step is to engage in some sort of mild physical exercise or activity like walking, yoga, or stretching, which may stimulate your intestine and relieve constipation naturally. Even a 15 to 20 minute brisk walk after meals can be beneficial. The last and very important tip is to avoid overuse of laxative. Many CKD patients depend on chemical laxatives, but long-term use can cause electrolyte imbalance, dependency, and even harm the kidneys further. Instead, you should rely on natural food-based relief and holistic medicines that improve digestion from within. Constipation in CKD is not just a digestive issue. It's a sign that toxins are building up in the body because the kidneys and gut are not eliminating waste efficiently. So following these tips can help you ease bowel movement and thereby relieve constipation. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related informative videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.